Welcome to eWebmin's video help series, where we show you some of the many features of eWebmin and how they can be useful to your daily use of the system to run your business effectively. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook for frequent updates and tutorials. We're online at www.ewebmin.com. We've had a few people ask about using custom invoice numbers for their custom forms and assigning them to different events within their eWebmin. So we're going to show you what we suggest you do for custom invoice numbers. So we've got an event on the first that's pending. So we're going to click on it, and then on the right we're going to click on that particular event to go into the event details. And what we're looking to have it do is we're putting in a custom field where we can put a custom invoice number into here. But in order to get that in there, this is where you go to do that. So you go to Preferences, and then you scroll down into the application settings, and you'll see that there's a custom field 1 name here that's already assigned to you, and it's going to be blank if you haven't used it already. So this field is going to be for a shorter text box area field. This is for a larger text area box that's going to be about 3,000 characters if you decide you want to use custom field number 2. So you put your invoice number name in there, and in this case that's the label for it, and then you end up going to save that. So once you've saved that, you can now go back to your calendar or manage events and go to it, and then you can click in to go to that particular event, and you'll see that the invoice number will show up there. Now if you go to edit event, this is where you can put the actual invoice number for your customer. Always remember, after you put that in there, hit save, and then you'll have that custom invoice number saved. Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you add it to the forms and messaging into your custom forms, so that when you send a form to them, they'll be able to see that invoice number. So you do that as well by going into admin and then form templates. And we'll go to the form templates here. And you can choose your custom form. You can create one as well if you'd like. So in this case, we've already added the bracket tags for custom field 1 name, and then we put a dash and then put the bracket tag for custom field 1, which is the data or the value of that particular field. You can do it 2 different ways. You can either click into the box and choose that particular bracket tag in here, or if you wish, you can just copy and paste it. And there's a legend down below the editor that's got all your different bracket tags. So you've got your custom field 1 name, and then you've got your custom field 1 data. So it's the data that you entered into it. So just go ahead and put it into your custom form, and you can make it look as pretty as you want. You could add it to any custom form that you want, even if it's a contract, and put it in there. And so then once you've done that, make sure you save the custom form. And then you'll go into your print form, or if you're going to email it to a customer, choose that particular form if you want to see how it's going to look. And then we'll either open it as a PDF or in a browser. And then when that form comes up, in this case, that's the only 2 items that we put in there. So it's just going to show you the name of the field, which we called it invoice number, and the value of that field, 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully this video was useful to you in using eWebmin. Keep checking back for more helpful videos exploring the many features you can find in eWebmin.